So I wanted to tell you about a new show that's going to be on my channel. And the show is basically going to be about me teaching somebody to paint, taking somebody who's either never painted before, who has very little experience, and then teaching them from the very beginning all the way to a finished painting. And one episode of the show will be one person. So I'll maybe teach them over a 12-day or even a 3-week period, however long it takes, and then I'm going to go in and edit all that down to about a 20 or 30-minute show so you can see all the highlights, but really be able to follow along and see this person progress from, somebody who maybe has very little experience or none at all to a finished oil painting. And that finished oil painting should be, high-level realism, and I want you guys to be able to see it and watch the whole thing. I think it'll end up being a really not only an entertaining show to watch, but also you'll be able to learn a lot from it. So if you're interested in me teaching you how to oil paint, and you don't mind me recording everything and putting it all on YouTube and letting everybody else follow along and watch, then I would love to teach you to paint. If you are interested, check in the link of, or rather the description of this video, and I've got all the information how you can submit an interview to me, interview on video, and then I can review it and possibly select you for this new show. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.